Achoo!
Hey!
Did you just sneeze twice in Ohio? Stop sneezing. If you sneeze 3 times, you're gonna regret it. Do you have any idea what you just did? My brother in Christ, your boogie is alive.